we're off to see La Boheme because we have nothing else to do.
Oh, how lovely. I'll get cleaned up right away.
Oh, no, you see, there's only 2 tickets here, and I feel it would be such a waste if the sweeping cadenzas fell on your unrefined ears.
Oh, but of course. I see. I'll just sit here then, all alone by myself.
Ah, but don't be so downtrodden, Willoughby. It's a highly admirable duty to guard my very precious collection of Faberge eggs.
Oh, the eggs. But what could ever happen to a few eggs?
But what can't happen to eggs, Willoughby? Birds love eggs.
Not a thing shall happen to these eggs, Charles.
Yes, thank you, Willoughby.
I'll die for them.
Come to, Countess.
Why, hello, eggs. Good morrow to you. Everything appears to be in order. Seems to be a fairly simple life. Being an egg. Just sitting in your proper spot, not making a stir. Just hoping no birds come along. Ha ha ha!
How glorious. Enjoying the show, dear? Well said. The audio is pitch perfect. You know, I've bedded my fair share of effulgent ladies, but none of them even held a candle to you, my lovely, enchanting Countess.
What was that, Mr. Buttington? More tea? Why, of course, Mrs. Buttington. There's plenty of tea to go around. But you'll just have to wait your turn. Oh, let me go put some more on the kettle. Mr. and Mrs. Buttington, are you all right? Oh, bother. Oh, there we go. Good as new. Charles won't notice a thing. More tea, my loves. Yeah, here.
Hello, Willoughby, I'm home. Hope you didn't have too much fun with my Faberge.
Hold the eggs. Keep them safe. Protect them. Don't let the birds get in. Oh, all the birds are gone. All the birds are gone, Charles. I did it. I did it.
Willoughby! Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of DINO Yacht Club. I know that as a viewer, I felt really bad for Willoughby because the poor guy just can't seem to get it right no matter what he does. So I feel really bad for him, honestly. And that's why next week I feel a little bit better because a psychiatrist is coming to Dino Island and he's gonna have a discussion with Willoughby. And don't forget, if you're gonna comment on this video, make sure to say, "I do say," before you write anything, because that's what gentlemen do. Just say, "I do say," and then whatever it is. See you next time.